Hey everyone, I'm starting Sims 3. I got it many moons ago, but due to unforeseen circumstances was unable to play it. So I did start it a little, but now I'm going to start it again, I hope. Okay, here we go. Creating my first sim. Oh, it's entering create a household. Okay, must have clicked on the wrong one. I'll just play it by ear, see where it goes. Once it's quite finished loading. Okay, we got two creators in. Okay. Yes, we want a female. I think we'll call her Talika. And I think I'll give my daughter the honour of giving her a surname. Crystal? Give her a surname. Talika is her first name.
Bell.
B-E-L-L-E?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, Talika Bell it is. Age is young adult. Yep, that sounds fine. Might make her skin tone just a little darker. That'll do. Like the size of there. Adjust muscle size. No, I don't need that. No, I don't need that. No, she's all good. Okay, I take it. Do I click the done? I'm guessing I go straight to hair. Okay. Yes. And my daughter just told me that her sim has been promoted, which is very nice. What to, Crystal?
To a C-lister.
Okay, to a C-lister. She's playing Sims 4 at the same time while I'm playing The Sims 3. We've both loved our Sims for many years. We started with Sims on a PS2. I'm pretty sure that was our first Sims, wasn't it, Crystal?
Yeah.
Normally I like the longer hairstyle, but I think out of these hairstyles I like that one the best so far. No, I like that. I think we'll go with that colour, I like that. Okay, now we'll go with her looks. That face is a little fuller. Oh, that's a bit sharper. I think I like that one. Aha, clothing. I always like choosing the clothing again away. Alright, let's have a brow, shall we? You, now. think, just to make it a little bit quicker, I'll browse through them and just click on the ones I think I like. Oh, I like those ones, but not quite those colours. Maybe that one. Don't mind that, I quite like that. So far it looks like that's going to be the shirt of choice, but we shall see. No, I think I might go back with the one I had. Or that. Yeah, I like that. Okay. That's the one. Now, the bottom half. What'd you do?
Figured out how to get a top story working.
Ah, very good. Yeah, I like those pants. They're nice. Oh, we actually have outfits in here. Let's see what we've got outfit-wise. Okay, so it's not like Sims Free Play where you've got to buy the outfits. You actually come with outfits in this one. But I think I'll stick with what I've got. I like that. And so far I do like those shoes, so I'm guessing they'll be staying. Unless I find a pair I like more. Oh, they're nice too. There's a few nice shoes in here, but I think so far those ones can stay. Yep, they can stay. What's this one? Accessories. Oh, look out. We can even have accessories. What can we have? Glasses? No. What is that? Guessing that's a necklace of some sort? Crystal?
Earring.
Earring. Okay, cool. Can't really see her ears anyway, so that's not going to make much difference. Bracelets I do like. Some reason, I don't know why, but we can't see. Ah, there it is. That's why we couldn't see it because it was on the other side. Not sure that one quite goes with her outfit, so let's try again. That one may look a little better. Gloves, rings, socks. Okay. Socks are an accessory. I'm not sure when that happened, but anyway. Oh, okay. We can have formal. Let's see what we like out of the formal. Why isn't it showing me all of her? Okay, that's the one. Oh, there's quite a few I like in there, but I think that one will do for now. What else can we have? Sleepwear. Okay, let us peruse sleepwear. Yep, that's our sleepwear. What else have we got? We've got athletic wear. Yep, I like that. As you can probably tell by my choices, I do like my purple. And swimwear. Oh, I actually like that one. I think I'll go back to the one she had on originally. If I can find it, that is. Okay. Must have been one of these ones. One of these ones, maybe. Okay, can't seem to find the one she was in originally for some reason. I do like that one too. I think that'll be my choice. That is the clothing done. Personality. Okay, coolies. Let us see what her traits will be. And traits. Absent-minded, ambitious, angular, artistic, athletic, bookworm. Family orientated. Okay, why didn't that go into the list? Crystal, any ideas? I tried to hit family orientated, but it didn't go up into the list.
Try dragging
it. Accept, maybe?
Family. Click on the first square.
Okay, here. This one?
No, up.
This? Okay. Sorry again, my daughter's just helping me a bit.
Do one trait at a time. And click to accept.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you, Sissa.
You're welcome.